So what Tony Schwartz, an engagement consultant, had said, and I've heard this kind of on multiple websites, multiple sources, it's being discussed, is to how to work in a series of sprints rather than a marathon, right? And you can think of that as oscillation as a term, where you have an intense period. It's almost like an exercise, right? You have an intense period where you're giving your all, and then you have to rest, because that only enables you to perform your best, because we cannot sustain that intensity for so long until we burn out, or we simply can't maintain that, right? So it's better to work in, highly focused for short periods of time than to be partially focused for long periods of time.